Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at some of the key features of the DIGITEK DSG 005 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphone. The DSG 005 is made of high-strength composite material. It is shockproof and lightweight and weighs only 423 grams. It is designed to use all day. The DSG 005 comes in a shockproof carry case as well. It is compatible with all smartphones. It comes with 320 degrees of horizontal swivel and 270 degrees of vertical tilt. Finally, the DSG 005 takes 3 to 4 hours to charge and comes with an operational time of 12 hours. And those are some of the key features of the DIGITEK DSG 005 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smartphone. Thank you for watching.